Is it the same?
Different company.
Different company, but the same food. Peanut, almond,
chocolate,
chocolate,
green
cactus,
tea,
green tea,
cactus, yes.
Jiangdan soybean gift set. Oh, but what's the best seller?
Almond.
Almond?
Yes.
Okay. One set almond.
Where you from?
I'm from the Philippines.
Oh, mabuhay.
Mabuhay. Oh, you know Tagalog. Ha?
First time?
First time.
Long time ago, Korea traditional biscuit made
Oh.
with honey
Oh.
with cornstarch.
Cornstarch and honey.
Fermented honey so hardened. Make a hole, another hole in my hand. Stretching. Now making 16,000.